A ZMK configuration factory reset, sometimes called a settings reset, clears all the settings that ZMK has saved on your keyboard. Examples are Bluetooth connections and RGB lighting setup. Important: this does not change your layout or the keyboard's firmware, and it does not return the keyboard to its original factory state. It only removes the settings saved by ZMK.
You might need to do a ZMK settings reset in a few situations. For example, after updating your ZMK firmware, this helps make sure everything runs smoothly with the new version. When you change advanced settings, some settings only take effect properly after a reset. If your Bluetooth stops working or won't pair correctly, a reset can clear out old connections and fix that. If your keyboard starts acting weird, like random glitches, lag, or strange lighting behavior, a reset often fixes those.
The reset fixes issues by clearing Bluetooth connections, removes all paired devices, lighting settings, resets brightness, colors, and effects, and other ZMK settings, wipes any stored preferences or temporary data on the keyboard.
Before you start, you'll need to reset both halves of your keyboard, not just one. Don't worry, the halves will find each other and repair automatically afterward. After the reset, you'll need to reconnect your keyboard to your computer since the Bluetooth connections will be cleared.
Turn off both. Switch off the power switch of both halves of your Go60.
Okay, here's how to do a ZMK configuration reset on the right half of your Go60 keyboard. Turn off both halves of your keyboard first. On the right half, hold down the keys Alt and I. Keep holding those two keys, and then switch on the power for the right half. Keep holding Alt and I for about 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, turn the right half off again. That's it. You've done the reset. Important: make sure the left half stays turned off the whole time while you do this. Now let's do the ZMK configuration reset on the left half of your Go60 keyboard. First, make sure both halves are turned off. On the left half, hold down the keys Control and E. Keep holding those two keys and then switch on the power for the left half. Hold them for about 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, turn the left half off again. And that's it. You've reset the left side too.
Turn on both halves at the same time. Wait about a minute to give the halves time to reconnect. Enable RGB with Magic +T to check that both halves are connected.
Last step, you'll need to reconnect your keyboard to your computer because the Bluetooth connections were cleared. To do this, remove the old Bluetooth connection from your PC and then pair the keyboard again.
That's it! Your Go60 received a reset and is ready to go.
Thanks for watching and enjoy your Go60. Discover more and connect with other Go60 users on the MoErgo Discord. Share experiences, ask questions, get help, and learn from the community. See you there!